So today what we're going to do is repair this frame right here. What I'm going to do is actually cut this out here and cut it across here and replace it with this piece here that I got actually from the plow frame that actually came from this vehicle. That's why it's important definitely not to throw away any of the steel that comes with these vehicles, because it can become useful in restoring it. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to use this piece here as basically like a gusset. So I'm going to get to it. I'm going to cut that out and then kind of evaluate it. I'm going to also clean this up, cut this part off here. But before I do that, I want to be able to separate these two so I can work on them in a good space, like so I'm not trying to work in this small space. So what I'm going to do is take this block of wood and put it between the frame and the spring and kind of separate it. All right, so I get that piece fixed in there. This edge is a little crooked, but I'm gonna actually fine tune that once I put the piece going across the back. But how I wanna start off is weld this up. I have a good amount of surface area there to weld to. Why I cut this like this is because this curves down and I wanted to maintain that curve in the frame. And this gives me a lot more surface area that I can weld to, so that's going to work pretty good. And then actually this plane ends up being the same as the plane on the other side, where that other, if you can see where that shackle meets right there, they're going to be about the same. So that works out pretty good. Now when I weld this up, this is going to make a good area for that to be right there, that shackle. All right, so I'm going to weld that up and I'll bring it back when I'm done. So I get that welded up. I'm not 100% confident in this structure right here. This metal is so thin and this is thick, and this weld was pretty tough to do right here. So what I'm gonna do, just like I did on the other side over there, I'm gonna put a reinforcement gusset plate right across here. Because there again, I'm not looking for originality or trying to make it look like seamless repairs. I just want them to be strong. I want this to be a usable thing that don't fall apart. So what I'm going to do right now is put that reinforcement plate there. All right, so now I'm going to mount the shackle. The important thing, I want to make sure that this point and this point are identical at this point. So I'm going to measure from the frame down to the top of this leaf spring. It's 3 inches. And this is just a little under 3 inches. So what I'm going to do is just get something. Let's see, if I have this up, I can actually clamp that down at that point and bring that down to 3 inches. Yeah, so if I clamp that right there, my strip, those would work. All right, good. So this should be 3 inches, and this is 3 inches. 3 inches. All right, so now I'll just weld that up. All right, good. So now I'll weld that up. that's ugly. Well, it isn't pretty, but it is strong. I feel like I heard that before. Anyway, that's going to be it for today. Next week, we're going to mount the bumper and the trailer hitch. I will weld that plate on, and then we're pretty close to getting this out of here. I'm going to clean up this plate right here. That's an old plow thing, reinforcement that they put on. I'm gonna just trim that down so it isn't so gawky on there. Probably cut off this also. And then, let's see. I have to just mount one more shock holder. There's the pin down there. I have to put another pin right there that will receive the other shock, kind of like on this side here. Oh, and move this tire. Yeah, right there. So I have to make up, the other one that was on the other side was totally rotted, so I gotta make up a new one of these, which is actually pretty easy. It looks like it's just round stock going into a bracket. So I will do that next week. And that's going to be it for today. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me. And please like and subscribe this if you like it. And I will see you on the next video.